Hi, Cyber Sisters and Misters. Do you want to watch me go from basic to Slade on my natural virgin 4C hair? Then stay with me. Welcome back. I'm Nick.
First off, welcome.
On this channel, I create videos about my versatile natural hair, about my lifestyle, and self-care. In today's video installment of 10 Minute Tuesday, which is a new series on this channel where I create a simple hairstyle in about 10 minutes. That's really all I have time for these days. Or maybe it's all I make time for these days. However, I've got you, sis. But before we get too deep into this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll know when I upload new content. For this hairstyle, you'll need edge control, moisturizer, scalp oil, rubber bands, bobby pins, hair combs, and a brush. So to prep for this style, I did co-wash my hair last night and I did an Aztec mask thingy on my hair. After that, I sectioned my hair in 3, straight down the middle. Then from ear to ear, I added a ponytail in the back and 2 little plaits on either side. I am using the Perfect Edges black, and I intentionally bought this black edge control because my hair is low density, very low density. It's sparse. You can see my scalp. And I don't really like that at all. So I wanted my hair to have a fuller look. So I create a main part and then I create a secondary part about a half an inch from the first part. I add edge control directly on top of that secondary part, blend it in, pull the hair over the top of the secondary part and add edge control directly on top of the main part. It helps to camouflage so much scalp, so much scalpiness, if that's a word. And if it's not, it is today. I repeat the same steps on the opposite side, just being sure to smooth my hair as well as possible. After that, I follow up within the section with my Shining Jam. Basically, it's very similar to an edge control. It's for hold and mold and all that good stuff. I am doing a very, very neat plait on either side of my head. Very neat and very tight. I want these 2 plaits to be totally uniform. Totally neat. When I get to the end, I'm not borrowing hair from either section because I want this to be easy to take down as well. This is going to be a fully protective style. My hair is going to be completely tucked away from the elements, and yeah, there's not going to be any leave out or anything like that. This is also a low manipulation hairstyle in that it's a style that requires me to touch my hair less overall, just period. I love that for me. Both protective hairstyles and low manipulation hairstyles can help reduce breakage and damage, as well as they can help to retain hair length. I do the same on the other side. The right side of my hair is shorter than the left side. I don't really know why. I do know that it's the side of my head that I sleep on, and it's also the side where I have the heaviest and most frequent reoccurrences with my flare-ups for psoriasis. So for my little curly cues on the side, I used to just, you know, kind of twirl them with my finger coil or whatever, but one side of my hair is, the curl pattern is looser than the other side, so it was never uniform. So with using this small barrel curling iron, I'm able to get both sides the same. Follow it directly with using a hair roller that I have completely saturated with olive oil, because the sponge rollers definitely dry out my hair. So I add the roller to both sides, and I move right into the back section, y'all. This back section, especially this middle crownish area, likes to give me the blues. It doesn't want to cooperate when I'm trying to slick my hair. And so I got her today. I've got her number. So I secure my hair in the back with the hairband. After I've gone through and used some of the edge control, the magic fingers, this really smooths my hair very, very nicely, especially when I'm working in smaller sections. I add the hairband on my hair and I tuck the end of the hair. Oh, I just lied. I didn't tuck the end of that hair yet. Not yet, but it's coming. And so then I use a little braiding hair just to give my hair some fullness and a little more length, so that when I get ready to tuck this little bun thingy that I'm creating back here, it will be thick and smooth looking. So I just did a little twist on the end of my hair just to get it uniformed, and I attached the braiding hair with another hairband, smooth it all together, bring it all together, and secure the end of that with a rubber band. And I tucked it in with a simple bobby pin. Very, very easy. As you can see, I did push up that hair in the back, all those little pieces that likes to escape. You got to make sure you get that, girl. You've got to get that hair, okay? You've got to get it right. You got to get it. So for the two plaits, just crossing them over the top of the bun, and I secure them with the bobby pin. Very, very simple. Brush everything together. Fix my edges a little bit, not too much. I added some styling mousse to my hair, and I tied my hair down. And I did do like a double tie down situation. I used a headscarf and then my secondary satin bonnet. The weight of both of these fabrics helps to keep my hair in place so that I won't have any flyaways. This style is so simple. No, seriously. Everybody can do this style. If you can plait, you can do this style. If you can double strand twist, you can do this style. If you can twirl your hair around your fingers, you can do a style very similar to this, and your hair will look so nice and neat. And voila, baby. Yes. Get into it. Get into it. She's looking kind of cute. As you can see, this took such a little effort. I think this is the quickest style that I do on my hair. And I just really like it. It's so smooth.
This is totally me.
I hope you like this style. It was so easy. 2 plaits and a bun. Easy breezy. If you try this style, I hope you'll tag me on Instagram at Sunkissed_Nic. I hope that you'll like this video, share it with your girlfriends. If you found something helpful in this video, maybe she will too. Simple, versatile, 10-minute Tuesday. quick banger. Under 10 minutes or less. Can't beat it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your 24 while I continue to do a little of this and a little of that. Until next time, I'm Sunkissed Nic. Thanks for watching. Bye.